Alright, let's get started with today's tutorial. We're going to start with a new game. I'm just going to do a base plate for now. And go to search for service right here. And insert a new script. Make sure it's a script. Do local DS equals to game GetService DataStoreService. Oh, there we go. Next, we're going to go down. We're going to go over to here. One line down, and we're going to want to go StoredDataStore equals to DataStore, which is this up here, the DS, and we're going to go dot, or was it this one? Let me find it. No, we want to do this one. Okay. So now we can go to DataStore colon or semicolon, not really sure what that is, get DataStore and put anything in here. So I'm going to do test for now. Now if you change this, it will reset the DataStore, so keep that in mind. So if you change it, all our players will lose their data. So now we're going to go game.Players.PlayerAdded connect function and then put something there so you can actually get the person that's joining. And now we're going to copy this and we're going to want to paste it below like that, and we're going to go player removing. And now we should have two of these like this. They're similar, but they are different. Next, we're going to go into this bottom one real quick, and I don't know why script thing is doing that, but we're going to StoredDataStore, or no, we're going to go local data equals to player.leaderStats, or if you're using leader stats, do that. But for me, I'm just using a simple bool value in the inventory, or for the player. So now I'm going to go player, WaitForChild, bool value, or whatever the name is, and we're going to go over here and go dot value. And then we're going to go to StoredDataStore, and we're going to go SetAsync, and you can do an underscore or something here, but I'm just going to do a dash, and then SetAsync, it's basically just setting the data store. And I'm going to go dot.player, oh, we put that right there, okay, dot.player.UserId, so that it puts a dash in the user ID, and then we'll do a comma, and we're going to set the data, and that's how we set the data store. So that's how you're going to set everything, and let's move on to the next part. So up here, I'm going to do local boolValue equals to Instance.new boolValue. I'm just going to parent it with a player because I don't want it to be part of leader stats or anything like that. So now we can go boolValue.Value equals to false, and we could change it to true and stuff like that later, but for now we're just going to want to keep it as false. So next we're going to go down, and we're going to go StoredDataStore, or no, I'm going to go local dataToFind equals to StoredDataStore, and we're going to want to okay, so we did SetAsync. We're going to go GetAsync, which returns the value of a key, and all you have to do here is go the same thing as we did before without the data and a comma. That's all you have to do for this part. So we're going to go dot player, whoops, I can't type, there we go. So that's how we're going to get our data with just this one line. Make sure it's the same as this without the comma and whatever you put as the variable for your data. So now, if DataToFind okay, no, we don't want to do that actually. We're going to do if DataToFind equals to false, then we'll do that. We don't want that. Okay, and we're going to go to else, press enter. So if it's false, then what we're going to want to do, I don't know why the AI is doing that, but I need to be able to think. I should probably turn that off, but so if DataToFind equals to false, then we're going to want to set it to true, and then of course it will run. So we'll go data boolValue, okay, boolValue.Value equals to true, and this will just set the value to true once you played the game. So this is going to be like a simple script for just joining the game one time. Else we're going to go print data found player already is not new to the game. Okay, so that's basically what we're going to have for that. And now if it equals false, Actually, you know what? If it's false, if we want it to be equal to true, we'll do it like this, okay? Because if dataFind equals to true, if it's false, if it's false, or if it's not found, then we'll just print this. Or value is false. Contact me. Okay, so there we go. If the value equals to true, in the data store, it will set this to true, and that's basically how that's going to work for now. But this is basically a script, and this is mainly the main part of the script. Now, we could go game.Players. The other version of this. I don't know what it's called though. It's player something. I don't know, but it's like a certain thing you use if the player is like kicked from the game. But this is just a simple script if you're joining and leaving the game. Now, if you want to actually use this in Roblox Studio, which I'm not sure if it's going to work or not in Roblox Studio, because sometimes it doesn't work for me like that and only works in game. But let me just go ahead and turn that off. Do this, save, and it should save the game and publish it. Go game settings, security. We're going to enable this, and I'm not really sure why we would enable HTTP requests, because you know, vulnerable third-party tactics and stuff. But just enable that for now, and we'll come back and see it. Okay, so now we'll publish the game. Click play, and data not found, player is new to the game, or value is false. Contact me. So I'm going to go this, and as you can see, we have a value in here, but it's not called boolValue. So we got to actually do is got to set the name for it. So go boolValue.Name is to boolValue, and now that should work. Click play because data was not found. Now if you go inside of here, should we set to false? Click server. Now we can change it to true. Now we can go over to here and we can just leave the game. I'm not sure if that would work up there, but it should have saved the data. And yeah, it's saved. Okay. So as you can see, it's still true. That's how you do a simple data store. I think next video I'm going to do something a little bit more advanced, because this was very easy to set up and stuff. But you could rename the script itself to anything. You could rename it to literally anything and it would still work. Just do not change any of the code, like specifically this right here. This will reset everything in the data store. So just make sure not to change it unless you're like trying to do it on purpose to reset everyone's data. But that's basically how you do it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. More to come actually. I'm still gonna record after this for more videos, and yeah, just hope you like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.